Ask any senior executive about their most pressing concerns, and most will say cash flow is right at the top. If your business has personnel in the field that frequently collect customer payments, you understand the negative sales productivity and cash flow impacts of a rep spending time making trips to the bank, which may not happen right away, plus the risk of losing checks that contain sensitive customer information, or worse, failing to offer in-person payment options. Maybe it's time you considered mobile AR. DadeSystems Mobile AR helps your business to get paid faster while empowering your field teams to capture customer payments quickly and securely with their mobile device. Instead of spending time making trips to the bank, with mobile AR, teams can capture check, ACH, credit card, and cash payments directly through their Android or iOS device. For example, accepting a check payment is as easy as selecting the customer account, entering the amount, and capturing an image of the front and back of the check. Users can also capture related documents, such as invoices, and add notes, with the option to email, text, or print the receipt. With mobile AR's swift and seamless payment capture, your sales and delivery personnel can spend less time on administrative tasks and more time focusing on relationship building and revenue generation. As an added benefit, payments captured in the field can be automatically applied and posted, with updates to your ERP, all without anyone in AR having to key information or manually apply cash. Are you ready for your AR department to harness the power of mobile? Streamline field payment collection, provide easy in-person payment options, accelerate deposits and cash application, reduce DSO, costs, and errors with DadeSystems Mobile AR. To learn more, please contact us today.